Imagine paying $900 every month for a car and still feeling like you're drowning financially. That's not a mistake, it's a trap. And most Americans fall for it without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how this trap works, why it silently ruins your finances, and what you can do to escape it. Hi, I'm Sam, and today I'm going to uncover one of the biggest financial mistakes most people make without even knowing it. Most people believe that a new car equals freedom. You see it in ads everywhere. Drive the car you deserve. Upgrade today. You calculate $900 a month seems doable compared to your $4,000 monthly income. But here's the truth nobody tells you. $900 a month is more than a payment. It's a leash. It's a slow drain on your freedom and your future. 900 times 12 months equals $10,800 a year. Over 5 years, that's $54,000 spent just on payments. And that doesn't even include insurance, maintenance, registration, or taxes. You feel rich driving it, but your actual net wealth slowly disappearing. Retirement, emergency fund, vacations, all getting pushed aside to keep up with the car. Take John, 27. He thought buying a luxury SUV on a 60-month loan was smart. His monthly take-home, $4,200. After car, plus insurance, plus gas, only $1,500 was left for rent, food, savings, fun. At first, he felt like a winner. Finally, I made it, he said to himself, showing off the car to his friends. But by year 3, credit card debt crept in because of lifestyle inflation. He didn't even notice until a late-night bank statement made him freeze. A little extra eating out here, a new phone there, weekend trips to keep up appearances, it all added up. By the time he realized, the dream SUV was slowly turning into a financial nightmare. Here's the part most people miss. It's not just your choice. It's the system designed to trap you. Dealers and banks know exactly how to make deals look affordable short-term, but expensive long-term. They offer 60-month, 72-month, even 84-month loans. Lower monthly payments, yes, but interest adds thousands more. Then come the add-ons, extended warranties, gap insurance, maintenance plans. Optional, they say, but most people walk out with them because the salesperson made them feel like it was necessary. $100 to $200 a month extra quietly sneaking in. Nobody notices until it's too late. New cars lose 20 to 30% of their value in the first year. Buy a $50,000 car today, it's worth $35,000 to $40,000 tomorrow. You owe more than it's worth. Negative equity. Sarah bought a $55,000 SUV for $900 a month. After 3 years, she wanted to trade it in. Market value, $35,000. Loan balance, $40,000. She owed $5,000 just for wanting a new car. Dealers make it look affordable. You think you're winning, but the math doesn't lie. It's not just the payment, it's the lifestyle trap. A $900 a month car leads to bigger insurance, fancier gas, more expensive parking, and suddenly lifestyle upgrades everywhere. People upgrade phones, clothes, even vacations to match the car. Your paycheck disappears before you realize it. Alex bought a $900 a month car, $200 insurance, eating out more to look successful, missing savings. 3 years later, $30,000 in debt, no emergency fund, 0 investments. The car doesn't just cost money, it reshapes your habits, identity, and future. And the psychological trap? Even scarier. Status anxiety makes you feel like you need to show off. Immediate gratification beats long-term wealth. That new car gives a dopamine rush, but costs freedom. Every month, you stress about $900. Unexpected bills, more debt. Emily felt proud at first, but panic hit every credit card statement. She began cutting corners elsewhere, skipping savings, delaying retirement contributions, borrowing to fill gaps. Emotional attachment plus financial burden equals a trap nearly impossible to escape without conscious effort. Let's break down the real cost of this $900 car. 900 times 60 months equals $54,000. Insurance, $200 a month times 60 is $12,000. Maintenance, $100 a month times 60 is $6,000. Gas, $150 a month times 60 is $9,000. Total, $81,000 for a $50,000 car. $31,000 lost in extras and interest alone. If you invested $900 a month at 7% average return, $54,000 could grow to $67,000 to $70,000 over 5 years. Think about that. Car equals trap. Investment equals freedom. Most people don't see this trap because it's subtle. It whispers, "You deserve this." Friends upgrading cars, social media posts showing luxury rides, it convinces you that spending $900 a month is normal. Meanwhile, that money could be building your future. Every month you delay, the trap tightens. Now imagine this scenario. You're 30, still driving the same $900 a month car. Your friends upgraded again. Your neighbor bought a Tesla. You feel pressure to upgrade too, but your bank account screams no. That's the power of this trap. It makes you feel like everyone else is winning while silently draining your potential. So how do you escape? Budget first. Car payment less than 15% of take-home income. Avoid long loans, 36 months max. Buy used instead of new, save 20 to 30%. Factor in total cost, insurance, maintenance, gas. Delay upgrades until your financial foundation is solid. Alternative transport, ride-sharing, public transport, or a cheaper car can free up hundreds per month to invest. Mark, 25, bought a $20,000 used car instead of $50,000 new SUV. $300 a month payment. He invested $600 per month instead. 5 years later, over $40,000 saved, car fully paid. The $900 trap isn't just about money, it's about freedom, stress, and missed opportunities. Most Americans never see it coming because short-term thinking plus status obsession clouds judgment. Small changes, smart budgeting, used cars, short loans, avoiding lifestyle inflation can save tens of thousands and give real freedom. Before signing the next car loan, ask yourself, is this $900 a month truly freedom or a trap keeping you broke? Every $900 is a brick in a financial cage or a seed in your wealth garden. Which will you choose? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with anyone thinking of buying a car. Your future self will thank you.